Hey everyone, I've got my yoga mat and I'm about to take you guys to one of my favorite places on the homestead. Hey babies. Hello. How's it going? Hey Coburn, how you doing? Hello Liberace. You're looking particularly fluffy today. Hermione, hello little one. Hi girl. I guess Lavender's gonna come with me. Are you gonna come to yoga with me, Lavender? You, Georgia, are you gonna come? Okay, so there's a crew. Cool. Hey guys, are you gonna come too? Chonk wants to come. Hermione definitely wants to come. She's in a hurry. All right. Okay, now we changed our minds. Let's go do some yoga, guys. Rusty definitely wants to join. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Good boy. You gonna come do some yoga? You got downward facing dog down, don't ya? Yeah, you'll show me how it's done. It's just this little clearing in the middle of the woods. It's always very peaceful out here. I think I spend so much time outside that I don't realize how many people don't get to, and or just don't make it a part of their lives. And for me, it's such a huge part of my mental well-being. And I mean, there's really never been a time where I haven't, spent a lot of time in nature. Really, I grew up, out in the woods, and I just got up in the morning and went outside and went running in the woods all day, and came home for supper. So I think what I'm really trying to say is find what brings you peace. And if that's doing yoga, if that's meditating, if that is going for a walk, if it's talking to a friend, if it's just sitting down and, petting a cat or reading a book, find that thing that brings you to your center, because it's so easy to be distracted by everything that's going on. There's constantly notifications coming on your phone, calls coming in, things needing to be done. And it's so easy to be so completely consumed with those things and forget to come back to your center and to find that quiet place in your mind. And the thing that I love about yoga and meditation is it's not like a vitamin or a pill that you have to take every day that helps you. It's something that empowers your own mind, to be able to bring yourself back to that place of peace. It's really amazing to be, you know, I'll be in a place where I'm stressed or anxious or down, and I'll come into a moment of meditation, and I can find that person, that thing, that place in my mind that is quiet and is unaffected by those things. And if you can teach yourself to find that place, however it is that you find it, whether it be walking or whatever, it's such a powerful thing. It's such a powerful tool to have in your belt. It's for me, a lot of it has to do with being outside. But if you can't, if you don't have a place to do yoga outside, that's okay. Inside is great. I do encourage you to go outside and find a place to meditate, though. There's something powerful about being around living things. There's something rejuvenating about being in contact with the earth. I try to walk around barefoot as often as I can. Yeah? What do you think? This is Chonk. Hey, okay, just came by for a little snuggle and then moved on. So I just really treasure my time outside and the centeredness that brings me to. If you can find that for yourself, I just encourage you to take the time to search it out and find it and visit it often, because it's a powerful place. It's a powerful thing to be able to do, to take control of your thoughts and your the influences that are around you, and be the decider of how your day is going to go. You're the one that's in charge of your day. It's not up to the people around you or your atmosphere. It's up to you. You are the one that has the power, and it's a beautiful thing when you find that place for yourself, that peace. And the thing is, you don't have to stop what you're doing and go sit down, crisscross applesauce, and meditate somewhere if you're stressed. Once it becomes a practice and it becomes something that you can visit again, you can do it in an office. You can bring yourself back to that place when you're driving your car. It's something that once you've learned how to do it for yourself, it's something that you can bring yourself back to at any time in any place, in small ways. Now, I am not a master in any way, shape, or form. I'm very new to this. This is Georgia. Hi, Georgia. She's the mama of a lot of them. Yes, I have a lot of cats. Okay. But what was I saying? Totally lost it. Oh, I'm not a master at all. I'm not a master at all by any means. I'm newer to this, as in I've been practicing meditation and yoga on a consistent basis for a couple of years now, and that is very new in my book. I'm still learning, I'm still discovering, I'm still finding what can bring me to that place, and there are times when I'm very stressed or very distracted or very anxious about something, and I just can't I can't kind of pull myself out of it, but it's a practice. The point is to just keep trying. You can come here. Come on. All right, it's okay. Oh. See, this brings me to a place of centeredness and quiet. A cat's purr, actually listen. And that's cats for you. Love you and take off. And finding that place of being centered doesn't have to be done in, yoga clothes and, have the perfect music going in the background with incense burning or the newest mantra, on your mouth. It's just finding that quiet place and finding that space for you, however you get there. I hope you're enjoying this channel. It's taken me a while to get started with it, but I'm really glad I did. It's really therapeutic to talk to y'all and to share our journey with you. So if you do like what you're hearing, I hope that you like and subscribe so you can hear what's coming next. And we want you all to come with us every step of the way. So there's a cat battle going on down here. Oh, never a dull moment. Oh, look at the sky, man. It's just gorgeous. It's even prettier behind me, I think.